So we're at the dog park, and you keep on hearing this sound. I'm sure you guys hear it in the background now, but there's a saxophonist or some kind of instrument playing in the park. It's kind of cool. So we're on a little walk to see what exactly the hell's going on. I'm definitely getting closer. It might be a clarinet. I don't know. We all have bet going on a saxophone, French horn, but kind of cool. It's a nice little extra to being at the park. We're gonna go in here so he doesn't see me recording though. So, looks like the Ist is across the lake in the gazebo. That's kind of cool. Nice little add-on play, like I said. He's not a great musician, but he's not bad either. And it kind of fits the day. It's nice and sunny out, skies are clear. The dogs are crazy as usual. Hell, the shitter isn't full though. All right, catch you guys later.